All right, guys, so we're going to get to our science now. So our science is that sugar cube experiment. So our first thing is we need to draw what a sugar cube looks like. So if you're not sure, look at this. Whoa, a sugar cube, man. It's like all cube-like. Oh, maybe that's why it's called a sugar cube. So what we're going to do is we just draw a picture. So we click this little draw button, pick your favorite color, and it looks like, that's not very good. I need them to be straight lines. Ta-da! Now, our next thing says, draw what you think it'll look like after 200 shakes. I think it might just be like half the size. So maybe it's going to shrink like that. Now, our next part says, how many edges does it have? So let's look at it and count. We have on here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then on the bottom we have 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 edges. So that's what we're going to put in our answer for this part. It has 12 edges. Now remember, we have this nice little thing that we can use as well. So I'm going to click it, and then allow my microphone. And now let's go. It has 12 edges, period. Then we'll stop it. And our next part, we need to do our shakes. So this was actually from this morning's group. So I'm going to delete them. And you could probably see right now what our answers are going to be like. Alright, so now we're going to put our cubes in, and we're going to do 40 shakes. So let me close out of this one, and close out of this one, and now we're good to go. So here, notice I highlighted in red all of its corners, and I'm going to add it in here. 1, 2, 3 plain ones. And then I have this blue one that we're going to use to compare at the end, alright? So now we put it in, and we're going to shake it 40 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And now we're going to look at the red cube and see what's happened. Notice there's some stuff in the bottom of it now. And here's my red cube. So describe the shape. What do you notice? Well, I notice that some of the edges have fallen off. And it also says how many sides have color on them still. So this side is 1, 2, 3, still has color, but this one doesn't. All the colors come off. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 11 sides that still have color. And what do we notice about the shape? The corners are becoming more rounded, period. They're not sharp edges like the last one, period. Alright, now we're going to do it again. So let's put them back in. And shake it up 40 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now let's see what we have. Here's our shape again. So notice it's coming more and more rounded. Now, let's see how many sides still have color on them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 that still have color on them. So let's add 10 in. And we're describing that shape. It's still becoming rounded. More of the red stuff is falling off. So it's starting to become like a gumdrop shape, period. And now you know what we do next. We do 40 more. So you ready, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And let's see again. Oh, look at that. Whoa. We've lost a lot of red. There's only one piece of red on this top part. So we have 1, 2, a tiny piece right there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Notice how on the bottom, there's still a lot of red there. I wonder why that is. And our shape, let's compare it to a regular one. Our shape is still becoming that gumdrop. So let's continue adding to our sentences. So there's 9 this time. We keep losing some color. And now let's type it in. It's becoming even more rounded on the top, period. It's losing those sharp edges all the way around, period. And we have 2 more shakes of 40, so let's get it started with our next one. We ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And let's check it out. Whoa, it's becoming even redder down there if you could see it without the glare. Alright, we have a little bit softer red here. We have 1, 2, 3 sides though. 4, 5, and the rest is all gone. There's no more. Notice now it's becoming even smoother. It's becoming less like a cube and more like a dome. Ooh, I like that word dome. Alright, so let's use that for this next part. Our sugar cube is becoming more like a dome, period. More and more of the edges are falling off, period. And if you remember, I believe we said there was 6 edges left that had them. Now, our last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, now what do we have here? Ah, it's almost like a perfect gumdrop. And we actually only have the very bottom 4, so only sides that still have color. So let's add them in. The only side that still has color is the bottom, period. The top part of it has eroded away and is the perfect dome shape, period. And there's only 4 sides. So now, what do we have here? It says draw what it looks like for our next one. So we're going to draw. So that's our cube shape. The edges got completely taken away. Now, does your drawing match our guess? No. Remember, I thought it was going to get smaller, not rounder. So I'm going to put no. I can highlight it, circle it, whatever I would like. Now our next part says, what happened to the sugar cube when they got bashed together in the container? And how are they different from the ones that you didn't shake? Well, here's the one that I didn't shake, so let's look at it. And you'll notice that one has lots of edges still. So, what do we notice about it? I'm going to use my speaking. What happened to the sugar cube was little sugar particles fell off and eroded away, period. It's different than the other because this one only has 4 edges, while the other one has 12 edges because they got smoothed off, period. Now, our next one says, when we take our sugar cubes out, what do we notice is in there? Well, look at this. Let's take a little glance. Ah, it's little sugar particles. Some are even red from the red that fell off. So where did that come from? Well, it came from the sugar cubes. So let's do that. What I noticed is left is little sugar particles, period. There's even some of the red stuff from the marker that was on the edges, period. It came from the sugar cubes when they are hitting each other, period. Now, what do you think would happen if we shook rocks instead of sugar cubes? What I think would happen is that the rocks would chip apart as well. Period. It would just take much longer, though, than 40 shakes. Period. And now our last one. How many more shakes do you think it would take to make the sugar cubes really round like a marble? If you have time, find out and give it a go. We're actually going to test that out this afternoon. So make sure you answer this one. I won't answer it for you since it's your own guess. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.